Hello everyone, my name is Katrina Jebinet. I go by Katrina. I'm currently living in Boone, Maryland. Three things I love about ABA is natural environment teaching or incidental teaching. When I first started providing ABA services, NET was challenging for me. Trying to come up with fast-paced, engaging activities that my clients found fun and motivating to engage in, all the while targeting specific demands, tasks, working on interverbals and other targets and take data. It was all very overwhelming at first, but I find that NET is a really good teaching method to promote generalization and maintenance. And my clients really enjoy it, which is always a plus. They get a chance to have fun through learning, which is the goal. The second reason why I love ABA is the different teaching methods and strategies that ABA uses, because it's effective and you can really individualize clients' goals based on their needs. I used to work with older clients, many of which had severe autism, and I witnessed firsthand the effects of not receiving early intervention. And I think that's part of the reason why I decided to go into this field. And lastly, I like how ABA focuses on what really causes behavior, which is, I think, the key to knowing how to improve or manage behaviors. One valuable thing I learned in my previous class, ABA procedures, principles, procedures, and philosophy, is that behavior is not personal. Two things I want to know more about ABA is the different ways to graph data. I know that's a pretty integral part of ABA, and it's something I don't really get a chance to learn in depth as an RBT. I know how to take data, I just don't know how to create the graphs or choose which data collection is the most effective for the goal. I would also like to learn how to organize the data and graphs. As I said previously, I used to work with a BCBA who would create these huge individualized binders for her clients. That was very thorough and in-depth, and I want to be able to do that as well. One interesting fact about me is I was actually born in Laguna, Philippines. It's right outside of Manila, the capital. I moved to Maryland when I was 5, and although I've lived in America for a very long time now, I'm still very connected with my culture. A lot of my family still lives in the Philippines. I understand the language, I speak it some, love the Filipino food. So I'm very proud of Filipino American. Well, thank you for listening to my introduction. I'm looking forward to meeting all of you and learning and discovering more about ABA. Thank you.